Introducing Divine Grace Publishing Services. Have you written a Christian book and are looking for a publisher? Then let Divine Grace help you birth your word to the world. We are a Christian publishing company dedicated to publishing Christian books. Our complete publishing package deal includes in-depth manuscript editing, ebook conversion into Kindle, Nook, Kobo, Smashwords, etc., print on demand inner layout, custom book cover design, book printing at very affordable prices, author websites to showcase your work, book promo videos to charge your book sales, affordable book promotion services, ISBN assignments to ensure your book can be ordered in the USA and the UK, 10 free copies of your book, and author discounts on bulk orders. We also specialize in web designs, logo designs, flyers, and various kinds of promotional items. One great feature of our business is that our book publishing and design prices are unbeatable. We also allow you to take total control of your book, including setting your own price. Your published book will be widely available for orders worldwide through all major internet bookstores, including Amazon. At Divine Grace Publishing, we take your book and polish it into a fine piece of finished work that can proudly stand on any bookshelf. We don't just publish books, we take your manuscript from scratch and turn it into a great book to the glory of God. We look forward to working with you to birth your word to the world with a special touch of divine grace. Visit us today at www.divinegraceenterprises.com to find out more.